Hi, I'm Anja Mithani.
I am Mushkaleem.
I'm Dr. Anmol.
My name is Maria Onera.
And I'm a woman in content creation.
A woman in fashion.
A woman in aesthetic medicine.
A woman in music.
The most powerful lesson that womanhood has taught me is that I alone am enough.
The power of independence.
Strong, resilient, relentless.
We can do it all.
One of my biggest struggles was putting myself outside of the box that I was placed into. I think as a woman, a lot of the things that we experience in life, they're predetermined for us, and that was the same case for me.
And when I got married, everybody said my career was over. But I did not let those doubts define me.
My parents were like my biggest strengths, and they gave me the strength to make sure that miracles happen.
Breaking free.
Paved my own way.
My mother's belief that still lives in my heart.
Trust in your journey, because that's when miracles happen.
Believe in yourself, for you can make miracles happen.